What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to remove airbag from a Chevy Colorado. There's not too many videos about how to remove it or anything like that. So I got my airbag over here. As you can see, they go with like some clips right here. They're right here. There are 4 of them. It's not like 2. There's like 2 on each side. So the easiest way to do it is if you go on the side of this, you will see there's an opening on each side. You only have to do is you get your flat screwdriver, and this one you don't have to do any forward or backward. You have to push it in like this. You push it, you got it like this, and push it like that. See? You see that? See? And then the airbag will release. And you have to do that for the top, and then you have to do it for the bottom too, just like that. See? Same thing on this side. And then the airbag most of the time will pop by itself because he has some little springs over here. So after you do that, you only have to unplug the wires right here for the airbag and stuff. And after that, you're good to go. You only have to, if you're replacing a blown airbag, you only have to get your new one, plug the wires right here for the airbag and stuff, and then you just push it in, and you're good to go. All right, guys. If you like the video, just give me a like, share, any comment, any question, just let me know. All right. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, to install your airbag, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna try to do this only with one hand, but basically it's just like this. You get this one. See, after you get your 2 plugs and this one for the horn, you only have to get it in place, just like that, and you just push it in. That's it. See? You're good to go, guys. Just like the video, comment. Let me know if you got any questions. Subscribe, share. Thank you, guys. Bye.